No matter the occasion, this delicious marble cake recipe Nigella makes the perfect dessert. The combination of chocolate and vanilla sponge makes for an irresistible cake. It is a great recipe for anniversaries or even birthdays. This marble cake is simple to make, as you don't need any prior baking experience. It is a delicious recipe that is a crowd pleaser, as people of all ages will love it. It pairs great with a cup of coffee or your favorite tea. What you will need. Ingredients: 250 grams flour, 250 grams castor sugar, 4 eggs, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 200 milliliters vegetable oil, 100 milliliters milk, 100 milliliters rum, 50 grams chocolate powder. Step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Grease your baking tray with cooking spray. If desired, sprinkle breadcrumbs or ground nuts on the tray to prevent any sticking. Step 2. Using an electric mixer, combine the egg yolks and sugar in a large mixing bowl. Beat the mixture for about 1 minute until smooth. Step 3. Slowly add the milk, oil, and rum into the sugar mixture. Mix until just combined. In a medium bowl, whisk the egg whites with an electric mixer. Beat until the egg whites are very stiff. Step 4. Add the egg whites to the top of the sugar mixture. Then, add the flour and baking powder to the top of the egg whites. Use a whisk to slowly stir the mixture together. Step 5. To half of the cake batter, add the chocolate powder. Pour the regular batter into the cake pan. Then, pour the chocolate batter into the cake pan. Step 6. Bake the cake for 45 to 60 minutes. After 45 minutes, use a toothpick or metal skewer to check if the cake is done. If it comes out clean, the cake is done. If there are crumbs or batter on it, continue to bake. Let the cake cool in the pan for 10 minutes before placing it on a wire rack to cool. Serve the cake once cooled. Tips and tricks. Store this marble cake in an airtight container at room temperature for 3 to 5 days. You can also store it in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 7 days. This cake can also be frozen for up to 3 to 6 months. Wrap the cake in plastic wrap and then cover it with aluminum foil or place it in an airtight container. When ready to enjoy, allow the cake to thaw in the fridge overnight or at room temperature for 2 hours. This cake can be enjoyed on its own or with frosting as well. Try it with cream cheese frosting, vanilla buttercream, or chocolate buttercream. In addition, chocolate or vanilla glaze will also taste delicious if drizzled on top. If using buttercream, you can store the cake in an airtight container at room temperature for 2 days. You can also store it in the fridge for 5 to 7 days at room temperature. If using cream cheese frosting, store the cake in the fridge for 3 to 5 days in an airtight container. For best results, use a kitchen scale to measure out your ingredients. This will give you more accurate measurements, resulting in the best cake possible. This cake is great for birthdays, dinner parties, or even to serve at brunch with your favorite drink. It is full of flavor and the combination of rum and chocolate-flavored cake is hard to beat. It would even taste great with a scoop of ice cream served on the side. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.